let's make a cookie cutter. So we're going to go to our Procreate app where I've already sketched this bunny, and we're going to click on the wrench and then share. We're going to airdrop this JPEG to our MacBook. So just click airdrop, and then there's my MacBook. Click that. Okay, let's look at our MacBook and see. There's our file at the very top, bunny to JPEG. So we're going to go down to Safari, and we're going to enter app.cookiecad.com. This is a free app that you can use. They will create your cookie cutter just by your outline or a drawing. So you just drag and drop your file. There it is. Let's make some adjustments. I want this cutter to be a mini, so I'm going to make it 2 inches longest side. So drop that down to 2. And then I'm going to adjust the handle. Blade, I'm going to make that 12. Extra blade, I like 9. You can adjust this to your preference, but this is just what I use. And I just leave that last setting the same. Hit download STL. And you're going to go up to your downloads. Double click. And that brings up your Prusa slicer, which is free software that comes with your Prusa Mini. I don't make any adjustments on this. So we're going to pop our little USB device in here. Okay. A little struggle with that left hand. Let's get that in there. All right. So don't make any adjustments. I guess go down here to the right. Slice now is what I'm going to click right here. Okay. And then I click that again. Now we're going to name our file. I like to name it what it is and the size. So bunny 2 is what I'm naming this one. And I'm going to save it to my USB device right there. Okay. Save. And then make sure you eject down here. And then you can safely remove your device. Okay. So then I'm going to back up. I'm going to flip this around so it's going to fit into my Prusa Mini. Switch hands, make it a little easier. Okay, so hello friend. There's my Prusa Mini. I'm going to pop this in. Prusa's got some excellent customer service. This is the semi-assembled. My husband put it together once it arrived. Okay, so it automatically pulls up your cutter. You're just going to click print, and it will do all the leveling, all the work for you. And then you will have your printer in, or your cutter in 40 minutes.